Hello everyone, this is teacher Kimi. This is our lesson today. Letter A, letter A, letter A. Letter A sounds ah, 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 ah. A is for animals. A is for animals. What do you see? I see animals. I see animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. What animals do you like? I like tiger. I like tiger. Alligator. 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 A is for alligator. What animal is it? Is an alligator. Is an alligator. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. B. 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 What letter is it? Is letter B. Is letter B. Letter B sounds b, 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 b. B, 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 b. Bear, bear, bear. B is for bear. B is for bear. What animal is this? Is a bear. What color is a bear? It's brown. It's brown. Bird, bird. B is for bird. B is for bird. What do you see? I see a bird. I see a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. B, 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 bird. B, 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 bird. Do you like a bird? Yes, I do. I like a bird. Thank you for watching and goodbye.